Hello, my name's Elaine, your creator manager here at RockPorch. I'm going to be zipping through this, so go ahead and pause this video at any time. Let's get started. After you sign up and have an account, go ahead and sign in. After you sign in, let's go to brand partners. Go ahead and check out all our partners that we partner with to see which ones that you already have products with. Let's say you have a ton of stuff from REI. Click over there and find a product that you already have and love. Once you're on the product page, this is one way to add your product, is you can copy this URL, bring it back over here, either click here to create a commissionable link, or here, either paste, create. It will tell you exactly the estimated amount of commission you'll get, and then it's saved to your saved links, which is here. So if you click get link, this will direct them directly to, so if I paste this here, it will direct people directly back to the REI site, and you'll notice how this URL changes. So it doesn't see RockPorch at all, it just goes directly so that they can start to shop. Another way to quickly add products, you click on this little plus sign and click share 10 links in 10 days, drag this tool up to your bookmark bar, go back to REI, let's look for another product. And all you got to do is click on this add tool and it will directly add to your saved links, as you see right here. Next, you want to go ahead and create a locker with those items that you just added. Click on lockers, create locker, fill all this out. The more descriptive you are, the better. Let's just say it's backpacking and hiking. Next, make sure to add an image, otherwise you won't be able to publish your locker. I know that's not a correct image, but we're going to go ahead and add product, add all those items, and then go ahead and post your locker. To find your locker again, go back to lockers and you'll see it's right there. If you click on that, and you can click here to share your actual locker to the world, which it will look like this with all your items. To go to brand partners, if you want to just share REI in general, you can get link here. If you want to share a current deal that they have going on, such as a 50% off Cabela's, you can click there and get your link. And that in general is how to set up your profile. Next, please go ahead and schedule a call with me. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.